guys, today I can show you my second Lego fidget spinner, and this fidget spinner is way more faster than my first one. And here's what it looks like. There. This is how it spins. Wow, that's fast, right? You see that? Way more faster than my first one. But my first one looks more prettier than this one, but this one is way more faster. Oops. Come on. Just like that. Yeah. That. Just like that. And yeah. I think I'm going to make a tutorial for now, and yeah, because it is very easy to do it. So yeah, so I can just take all my piece out. So the first, wait, there. Okay. So first off, you need this piece that have 7 holes on it. There. And now take this piece. I think you need to take 2 of them. And take one of them, put it on the side. Like this. And another one of them, put it on the other side. This. Yeah. Now, wait. Okay, a round piece. It's basically a 2x2 plate, but it's round and have a plus hole in the middle there. And take this piece and there. There, to see it easier. Okay, put it under the 2x2 round piece there, and do one more of them, the same thing. And take this piece, it is 3 stud long, then put it here in the middle in the plus hole, and take this piece, put it in the middle hole, like that, and take the other one, put it here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there. There, so, yeah. And yeah, so that is how you make my second Lego fidget spinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye-bye.